What's up, guys? Back with another video. Wasn't planning on doing this video because, like I said, I'm taking a hiatus, but my friend has to go down and grab some parts from Bobby, so I'm going down to grab this. Sorry, I'm going down to grab this LSD. We got the GoPro. Got the brand new GoPro that I just got. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the car after the car warms up, and I'll tell you what's going on down there. Plus, we might talk to Bobby about his car, but he said there's a bunch of shit in his garage because he's a hoarder. So I guess onto the GoPro. All right, boys, back in the car. I'm gonna turn the heat down. It's cold as shit out today. It's 10 degrees. All right, sorry, so I'm just trying to get out of here without hitting this trailer. You can probably see behind me. But we got the GoPro on the windshield, so we're just gonna use that for the little vlogging thing. I do have my other mic set up, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna use the GoPro audio or if I'm gonna use the audio from the mic. I'll probably just switch out and do a test for both of them. But we're going down to Ryan's real quick and getting his Durango because I'm not taking the Lexus down there because I don't have enough space for the parts he needs. Obviously, that's what this episode is about, getting the 373 LSD for my e30 build. So we're going down there getting that. Ryan's getting a few things. I don't remember what it was. I think it's carpet and some other things. But we're just gonna go down there, get the parts from him because Bobby's like my e30 parts plug. And then we're probably, I don't know, Bobby said he has a bunch of shit in his garage, so he has like no space to get in the garage. But we're gonna get in the garage because we're gonna check out his late model e30 coupe with the M20 3.1 stroker build, which I think he's gonna be selling sometime this spring. So we're gonna go ahead and hopefully get in there. Maybe Bobby will tell you some stuff about his car because it's a pretty dope little car. We actually were gonna do a shoot last winter, or not last winter, last fall, but I didn't have the car done obviously because of all of the problems. So maybe we'll do that before he gets to sell it because obviously I have a late model sedan and he has an early model coupe, and they're both red. So I think it'd be a pretty cool idea for a video. But we're gonna go down to Ryan's house, and then I guess he'll probably tell you what he's getting because I don't remember what it is. And I think we're both gonna be vlogging at the same time because I think he's gonna start trying to do more content because he hasn't done any content probably, I don't know, maybe like 6 or 8 months on the build, even though he's doing a pretty extensive build where he's taking his E30 sedan apart pretty much down to the fucking shell. Well, basically down to the shell, and just replacing stuff and putting the motor back in because he will be rebuilding it later, but he's just throwing the 318 motor back in there, the M42 or whatever. So I guess when we get down there, we'll see what he's getting, and then we're gonna go down to Bobby's, get the stuff, maybe look at his car, and then we're gonna have some food and then come back. And then we might go to Ryan's house and check on his car or whatever, drop the parts off. I'm not really sure. But yeah, let's get it.
Five hours later.
So overexposed. She went everywhere. Here's the LSD. It's a little dirty, but who cares? Got a 373. So this is probably gonna get rebuilt. We're gonna go ahead and clean this and fucking paint that. And then this back cover is gonna get powder coated, probably the gold, same color as the wheels. Ryan got some Voigtlander springs. I think they're like 2-inch drop, I believe.
Yeah.
Made in Germany. And he also has some new carpet. Like I said, he's going to be using this carpet for his, so we can see if it's going to fit. And then I'll probably get some for my car after we get the rust fixed.
Right all over.
It's actually heavier than you thought it would be.
Hercules. That'll be fun to get out of there, to be honest.
Yeah, I know. Unfortunate. But yeah, we'll get this cleaned up sooner or later when it's not negative 10 degrees outside.
It's freezing.
We were gonna look at Bobby's car, but we just didn't feel like it because we were just talking the entire time. And it was Ryan's first time ever meeting him, so damn, it's dirty.
That's pretty cool doing. Yeah, it's dirty because we like haul wood in this thing, bro.
Haul wood for what?
Yeah, for the fireplace.
Oh.
Yeah, I need to get something to sit down in.
This mic. I need to get.
It'll be interesting to see how the audio turns out in the open window here with the dead cat on it.
I mean, this is a micro. It's not fucking bad. It's definitely one of the better mics for whatever.
Yeah, no, I just mean with the dead cat. Like, see how it actually
Just
does.
put it right in the. There we go. Get some wind action.
Whoa. That's all you're gonna hear. Whoa.
Actually, I don't really have any wind noise with this. Here's my little.
Ooh, your little Grills bag.
That's one for fucking. Like you just keep it in your car. Like, man, it's so cold out here. Let's start this piece of shit car up. So we're gonna go back home. Like I said, we were gonna shoot there, but it's just too fucking cold. And then we had some B-dubs and shit like that. So not really doing much today. Just gonna take this back to storage and put it in there until we get ready to do something with it. And he's out of here. Why'd you film today?
Yeah, you did film.
So why didn't you film?
I don't know. I filmed some. I'll probably film some more doing the coils or the springs and the carpet and stuff, and then I might actually take the carpet over and test fit it, since I have nothing basically in the car, just to see how it looks.
See how it fits.
I got the seat brackets, so I guess I can put the carpet in and then set the seat brackets on it, see how it looks with the brackets in there at least till the seats show up like later this week.
By the time this video comes out, you'll probably be having probably at the end of the week, or probably at the end of the month, this video will be up, so you'll probably have a lot of the stuff in the car actually done.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll have the rear end put back together in about 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks. Hopefully, that's the plan on my timeline.
Liar.
I don't know when this video is gonna go out.
This video is probably gonna go up middle of February.
I should have it put back together by then. As long as I can get the bolts and stuff out and the drill bits actually work for all the stuff that snapped. So
now you gotta drive 40 minutes just to get drill bits.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's so cold. It's actually freezing out today.
Yeah, it is freezing. It's like 8 degrees right now.
Alright, well, we're getting the fuck out of here.
Yep. Catch you later, bro.
Thanks for taking me down there.
Yeah, for sure. I'm about to do it again soon. Do another parts run.
I do need some more parts too.
Yeah. I know I'm gonna need more shit.
Of course you are.
It's the name of the game.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
Yep. Catch you later, bro.
I'll be sure to, whenever this video goes up, I'll be sure to link his channel down below or pop up a little thing or whatever of his thing. I'm literally freezing. It says it is 21. It's not 21 degrees out. But yeah, so we're gonna take this back to storage real quick, and when we get back, I'll show you a little bit closer up on it and then how much I paid for it and everything like that. So yeah, I'm freezing. All right, so we'll get a closer look at it. Like I said, I bought this from Bobby. Gave him $500 for it. It's a 373 LSD. Right now the car is over here. It has a open 410. So with all the mods that I'm gonna be doing, like the stroker and the exhaust build that's on it now and just all the shit, it was best to get the 373. So we got the little tag back here. See if we can zoom in. Can't really tell because it's a dirty tag, but it says S373. So it is dirty, obviously, like I said, but it's not a big deal. Everything works correctly and it's smooth. And it was in a car that he drove, so he knows how it was. But basically, we're gonna be doing an episode where we completely strip this, because at the same time, I'm doing a trailing arm rebuild and reinforcement and stuff like that. So when the car comes back in the spring, we're gonna put a new trailing arm set on it with condor bushings and all that shit. And I figured it'd be perfect time to do the LSD at that time. So eventually when it's time, I will take this, like I said, I'm gonna get this degreased and get it all clean. Then this back cover is coming off so we can get it powder coated. I'm probably either gonna do the body of it black or like a gray color, but it will get all cleaned up. And then, like I said, this will be the same gold as my wheels and my valve cover that's on the car now, and just overall in general, trying to tie those things in together. The trailing arms are getting powder coated as well, but they're gonna be a different color. So I just went down there to grab this for him because, like I said, Ryan needed to grab those parts so he can try to finish up his build, because he's rebuilding his car. So he just wanted to try to get everything there, because he needed the springs and the carpet, obviously, to put the car back together on the inside, because he cut his other carpet out. So he's gonna give me a feedback on that, see how it fits. So when I get the rust fixed on the front fenders on both sides, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this carpet out. Hopefully I'll have a new interior to go into it, door panels and door panels and seats. But the main thing is getting the rust fixed, and then I'm gonna sound deaden it, obviously for the quietness inside the car and the sound system. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw the new carpet in and get that rust fixed and all that shit. But like I said, for the rear end build, when I bring the car out, the trailing arms and the LSD, I'm gonna throw some new half axles on it, or some half shafts. So some new CV axles, get those brand new on there. So everything is basically all new in the back. I still want to do sway bars and stuff eventually, but for now, it's just gonna get the LSD and the trailing arm rebuild with the adjustable trailing arm bushings to adjust camber and everything. So when I put the wheels on over the springtime and the summertime, my Stancy Boy wheels, then when we air out, we can be fender to lip and get good fitment and be able to adjust the camber at least a degree or two or whatever it is. So, but yeah, like I said, pretty solid condition, nothing wrong with it obviously, but this is all gonna get done in black, and then I got a new mount for it already, and then I'll probably replace these the hardware on this, maybe some gold zinc ones to kind of go with the gold cover, I'm not sure, but I think it'll look cool in there. Even though you don't see this obviously under the car, I still like to put the extra time and detail and effort into the build. So like I said, this is gonna be gold. I think it'll be a good accent piece because I want to do the sway bars in the gold as well. So I think that'll be a good accent to be under there and all that good stuff. So alright guys, so like I said, I wasn't gonna do this video. I just went down there because he was going down there, and it was like the best time to do it. So I just went down there and spent the money for it. Like I said, he gave it to me for 500 bucks, so good price. He's always hooking me up on prices. I also bought the other parts from him and the other seats and everything like that. So we're kind of just friends. So we just he sells a lot of parts. So if you guys do need any parts, just let me know, and then or I'll just leave you like his Instagram down below if you guys need any E30 parts. His name is Bobby. So he tries to help all the people he can, and he's really knowledgeable about E30s. So probably the most knowledgeable person I know about E30s, especially around here. But that's just the end of this video. I just wanted to do a little video update on getting the LSD and doing like a little vlog or whatever. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be a vlog or an actual episode, but whenever it comes out, probably the middle of February or the end of February, the trailing arm build will be starting around the same time. Like I said, I'm just taking a hiatus from the car and just working on the car in general and making content, just for some grieving stuff and other shit like that. But let me know how you guys thought about the GoPro footage. Like I said, when we do drive this car this summer, we're gonna be doing some more driving videos. Oh, as well, we're gonna be going down to Bobby's, and we're gonna do like a little cinematic between his car and my car. Like I said, because it's like two different cars, but they're kind of the same. So just like two different sides of the spectrum, like a more performance oriented car and more of like a Stancy cruiser car. But I think that's gonna be a dope video. So we're gonna do that before he sells the car, and maybe we'll do like a little rundown on the car before he sells it or whatever. But that's pretty much the end of this video. LSD is checked off the list, and that's pretty much the end of the episode. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Peace.